Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter in a medium wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. The vehicle also comes with an automatic transmission. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium grey and also features the high roof option. Across the front of the van there is a set of front parking sensors along with a half painted front bumper. Down below, the Crafter sits on 16-inch steel wheels with a full wheel trim cover set. Exploring the features to the rear of the van features a high rear mounted camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors dotted along the rear bumper. This van also comes with the 270-degree hinged barn doors, allowing more options when loading and unloading this vehicle. In the back of the load area, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There is also a set of interior spot lamps providing illumination in the rear load area. Access into the load area can also be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding doors. Steps on either side allow easy access into and out of the vehicle, along with a set of yellow grab handles. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab. Up front in the driver's cab there is a singular armrest on the driver's seat, as well as a twin-seater passenger bench next to this. All the seats come finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery. In the forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash, we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to connect to all their favourite radio stations, as well as use the App Connect feature using Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Located beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the van. The van features climatic air conditioning as well as a front heated windscreen. Further beneath this there is a 12V and 2 USB-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.